Hey, what's up, guys? So today I took a few tickers. BILI was one of the ones that I played, and it's actually the first one I took a shot at. So BILI, if we look at the 5 minute, it popped up in the early morning hours, came back down, and then slowly trended back up. And then it just sort of got stuck here for a while. And if you were to draw a line, this is sort of high of the day. It's going to break high of the day. So I went in long. And then as it broke out, I pretty much just got out. It didn't really break through beyond this. It flopped around there for a while, and then it did a reversal. I didn't take a reversal on that one just because it was a strong stock, and if you look at the 60-minute or the 15-minute, there's really no indication that no resistance level up that high, and it wasn't really like that big of a I guess. A standard deviation from its ATR. I think it's like right around its average true range. So if this was like 2 or 3 times that, I may take it on the short side just because it's super extended, but it's not, right? It's within its average true range. So I didn't really take it on the short side. Could have, and would have made some money. But anyway. So then later on I took a small size here on the short side. The reason I did this is because curiously the BILI has really big lot sizes on the bid side. And so when that happens, it usually means this is going to collapse, and it was sitting right at $85 level. So when it popped a bit above 85, I took it on the short side, covered some, added back, and then took some on the way down as it broke through 85. Now it's breaking through 85 again, but yeah, and then right after that, level 2 wasn't that favorable. It seems like it was going to pop again, so I just got out really quickly. So I basically got out at the very bottom of it as it broke through, and then that was it. That was my play on the BILI. PDD also did something similar, where huge bid came up. It did break through this. I thought about taking it on the upside. I didn't do that. I was playing with BILI because it was a cheaper stock, so I was able to take a bigger share size. But eventually I did take it on the short side. So for BILI, after it hit this, I waited for it to see what would happen. It rebounded, kind of held this level for a bit. So I went in, added, and then when it popped, I also added. My thinking was I would get out if it breaks through the high of the day. It didn't break through, and then it receded, came back down. And last time, because this was a level where it got stuck at, and also because this was a strong stock, I didn't want it to go back here, do a double bottom, and then pop up. So I got out here as it like chopped around. So and pretty much chopped around that level for quite a while before it made a slow grind down. Eventually the flush here, but I missed out on that, and that's fine. You know, it's about mitigating your risk instead. So I think I did a pretty good job on this, and just being disciplined, and getting out. So yeah, that was it. That's my trade, and I think this goes back to the fact that like a lot of things are just indicators. Those lot size, those huge lot size, there's like 500, 600, 700 lot sizes on the bid side. So usually that means a flush, but and that's kind of why I went in here, and then the same with the other ones. But they get pulled, and these are real ones too, because they're just a few cents away from where the price action was, where the price was sitting, but didn't flush. Instead, it went back up a bit. So yeah, so everything is just indicators. Doesn't guarantee it's going to happen the way it's supposed to, from a textbook format perspective. So, all right. Anyway, so those are my trades. Hope you guys have a good hump day, and don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, thanks. Peace out.